Have you ever been a victim of credit card fraud? It's a question that, unfortunately, more and more people find themselves answering with a yes. Credit card fraud is a pervasive issue in our digital age, a shadowy figure lurking on the periphery of our daily transactions. Whether it's the physical theft of your card at a local coffee shop or a massive online data breach, the reality is that it could happen to anyone, anytime. The many faces of credit card fraud are as diverse as they are daunting. Sophisticated scams, from phishing emails to card-skimming devices, are crafted with one intention: to steal your hard-earned money. And the worst part? It's not just about the money. It's about the invasion of your privacy, the violation of your trust, and the potential damage to your financial health. But there's hope. Understanding the problem is the first step to prevention. Now let's dive into the ways you can protect yourself from falling victim to credit card fraud. First off, be proactive. Make it a habit to regularly check your credit card statements. Look for any charges that seem unfamiliar or suspicious. If something doesn't look right, don't hesitate to contact your bank immediately. Next, let's talk about online shopping. It's convenient, it's easy, but it can also be a hotbed for fraud. When you're shopping online, always make sure you're using a secure website. Look for the little padlock symbol in your browser's address bar. This indicates that the website is using encryption to protect your information. And of course, never ever provide your credit card information over email or text. Keeping your personal information secure is another key step in preventing credit card fraud. Never write down your credit card number or share it with anyone you don't trust implicitly. Also, be wary of anyone who calls or emails asking for your credit card details. Your bank will never ask for this information over the phone or through email. When you're using your card in public places, be cautious. Always shield your card when entering your PIN at an ATM or a point-of-sale terminal. Be aware of your surroundings and be on the lookout for any suspicious activity. One more thing to consider is using mobile payment options like Apple Pay or Google Wallet. These services use tokenization technology, which replaces your credit card number with a unique code for each transaction, making it harder for fraudsters to get their hands on your card details. And finally, consider signing up for fraud alerts from your bank. These alerts notify you when there's suspicious activity on your account, allowing you to act quickly and minimize potential damage. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By following these tips, you're not only protecting your money but also your peace of mind. So make it a point to be vigilant, be cautious, and stay safe. But what should you do if you become a victim of credit card fraud? First and foremost, don't panic. Swift action is your best defense. Immediately reach out to your credit card company. Most companies have zero liability policies, meaning you won't be responsible for unauthorized charges. Next, file a police report. This provides official documentation of the crime and can assist in your case. Be sure to keep a copy for your records. It's also crucial to monitor your credit reports for suspicious activity. You're entitled to one free report each year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Check for accounts or charges you don't recognize. Consider placing a fraud alert on your credit reports. This makes it harder for thieves to open more accounts in your name. Finally, consider seeking help from a professional credit monitoring service. They can provide additional layers of protection and peace of mind. Taking immediate action can minimize the damage and help bring the culprits to justice. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've unpacked the sobering truth about credit card fraud, a reality that's very much a part of our everyday lives. But we've also highlighted that it doesn't have to be an inevitable fate. By adopting some smart strategies, such as regularly monitoring your accounts, shunning suspicious emails and calls, and utilizing secure networks for online transactions, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling prey to these scams. Moreover, even if you find yourself in the unfortunate situation of being a victim of credit card fraud, remember that you're not powerless. Promptly contacting your bank, reporting the incident to the authorities, and keeping a vigilant eye on your credit report can help mitigate the damage and hasten your recovery. So, there you have it. The power to shield yourself from the pitfalls of credit card fraud lies firmly in your hands. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and remember, you have the power to protect yourself from credit card fraud.